Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Are you a fan of Maki?
Yes.
Kaway tila sining sa museo, di naluluma.
Thank you so much. See you, Maki.
Yeah. Yes, mga kabisyo, together with me is
Angelica.
Angelica and
Amber.
Angelica and Amber, ready na kamo sa among challenge? Are you a fan of Dionella? Not so, but you know some songs.
Ay, Maki.
Okay, Maki, what song?
Dilaw.
Dilaw. Wow, familiar siya. So, ready na kamo? Okay, you can pick one number from 1 to 10.
3. Go.
Okay, number 3. Okay. Okay, listen to this song ah. Ngayong nandyan ka na, di magmamadali. Ikaw lang ang katabi. Ngayong nandyan ka na, di magmamadali. Ikaw lang ang katabi.
Hanggang sa ang buhok ay puputi.
Ay pumuti. Hanggang sa ang buhok ay pumuti is correct. Congratulations! Again, kantaon natin na. Ngayong nandyan ka na, di magmamadali. Ikaw lang ang katabi. Hanggang sa ang buhok ay pumuti. Congratulations! You won a silver ticket from Negros Island Music Festival. Together with me is
Anton.
Anton. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Are you a fan of Maki?
Yes.
From 1 to 10, pick a number.
5.
Number 5. Okay. It's for you. Are you ready? Okay, you listen ah. Hindi na ako bibitaw ngayong
Ikaw na ang kasaya.
ikaw na ang kasayaw is correct! Congratulations, grabe! You won 1 silver ticket for Negros Island Music Fest and we're gonna see you there together with Maki and Dionella. Congratulations!
Thank you so much. See you, Maki.
Yeah. Together with me is...
Pao.
So are you a fan of Maki and Dionella?
Yeah.
So ano nga song ang nabalaan mo for Maki?
Dilaw.
Dilaw. For Dionella naman.
Salay iki naman.
You can pick number from 1 to 10.
1.
Number 1. Okay. You're very familiar with this. Pinsalay ikinamada o binibining may salamangka, you've turned my blank.
Limbics into a bouquet.
Hey! Congratulations! You've turned my limbics into a bouquet.
Ikaw ay tila sining sa museo, di naluluma.
Congratulations! You won a gold ticket for Negros Island Music Festival together with Maki and Dionella on April 12, mga kabisyo.
Thank you. See you.
Kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan?
Love Radio.
Basic!